Hi everyone, welcome to our channel. In this video, I will show you and tell you how you can disable location sharing on your iPhone for a short time. Please subscribe to the channel, put your likes, write comments. Let's get started. So first we need to go into the phone settings. Scroll a little bit and we find the security privacy section. Click on it. Next we need to select location management. That's the very first line. Next we choose share your location. And after that, we will need to disable this feature. As you can see, I have it turned on. You may also have your family members who are tracking your location added down here underneath it as well. If you don't want any of your family members to know where you are for a short period of time, then we'll just turn this feature off. But there is one small downside to this method. Is that your family members who, for example, are tracking your location, if they want to check it, they won't see that you've disabled location sharing. So, there's one more way to do this. For this, we need to enable airplane mode. To do this, we need to swipe down from the top right side of the screen. Here we find a widget with an airplane sign. We're going to tap on it. And now you and I have switched to flight mode. Thanks to it, your family members or whoever is tracking your location will not be able to track it. But this method also has its disadvantages. For example, when you turn it on, you also turn off all of your cell phone service. As you can see, I have it turned off. That is, in this mode you will not be able to receive any messages. You will not be able to call, let's say, to do anything at all. The only option is if you find Wi-Fi somewhere. You can turn on Wi-Fi in this mode. And this is how you can, for example, at least correspond in some messengers. Let's say Instagram, TikTok, Telegram, and so on. But you won't be able to make a call, and no one will be able to track your location in airplane mode. I hope this video was useful for you and you learned how you can disable location sharing on your iPhone at least for a short time. Subscribe to our channel, put your likes, write your comments, and see you soon.